In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Canva. If you're working on a design project and need a tangible copy, this guide will take you step by step through the process of printing your Canva design. We'll cover everything from exporting your file correctly to ensuring the print quality meets your expectations. First, let's start by accessing your design on Canva. Once you're in your desired design, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the top right corner of your window where you'll find the Share button. This is the gateway to selecting your download and printing options. Go ahead and click on Share, and a menu will pop up presenting various options that allow you to export your design. Next, you'll see an option labeled Download. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with different file format choices for downloading. Among the options, you'll notice PNG. Although this is a common choice for web images, for printing purposes, you'll want another option. So go ahead and find PDF print in the list. This file type ensures that your design is maintained in high quality, which is crucial for printing. Select PDF print, and this will optimize your design file for the printing process. After you've selected PDF print, the download button should appear at the bottom of the pop-up menu. Click on Download and Canva will begin packaging your design into a printable PDF file. This process may take a few moments depending on the complexity and size of your design. Once the download is complete, you will have a PDF file that's ready to be printed. Locate the file on your computer, usually found in your Downloads folder. Now, simply drag this file into your web browser. This is an easy way to open your PDF and make it ready for the next steps. Your PDF will open in the browser, and you should see a variety of tools or options at the top or bottom, depending on the browser you're using. One of these options is a print icon, often represented by a small printer graphic. Click on this icon to access your printer settings. This window allows you to select your printer, the number of copies you'd like, as well as any other printer settings such as color and orientation. Make sure your settings are as desired, and go ahead and click print to begin the printing process. Now all that's left is to wait a few moments for your design to print. Check to ensure the quality meets your expectations, and there you have it, a physical copy of your brilliant design straight from Canva. Thank you for following along, and I hope this has made it a breeze for you to print your creations. If you have any other questions about Canva, feel free to check out more of our helpful guides.